In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish a site on Google Sites fast and easy. Whether you're a student, a small business owner, or someone simply wanting to share information online, Google Sites offers a straightforward and efficient way to create and publish websites without needing any coding skills. Let's dive right into the process and make sure you leave this video with your very own site on the World Wide Web. First, you'll want to open a web browser and head over to Google Sites. Simply type Google Sites into your search bar or navigate directly to the URL. Once you're there, you'll see options for starting new sites or editing existing ones. If you have a specific site in mind, select it by clicking on its thumbnail to open it up in the editor. Now that your site is open, you're ready to customize it. Google Sites provides numerous templates and design options, allowing you to personalize your site with your preferred colors, fonts, and layout. Spend some time arranging the elements to your liking, maybe embedding images, videos, or other types of content that best represent your message or brand. If you have already completed this step previously, great. You can move on to the next part. Once you're satisfied with the way your site looks, it's publishing time. Start by clicking the Publish button, generally located at the top right corner of your screen. This will prompt a new window where you'll be asked to add a web address. Keep it catchy and relevant to your site's content. The address you choose will generally follow the format of sitesgoogle.com site, your custom address. So make it unique and easy to remember. After choosing your web address, you can configure your sharing settings. Decide who can view your site, either just a limited group of people, such as team members or clients, or the whole world if you wish to make it public. Finally, once all settings are in place, go ahead and click Publish again to make your site live. Congratulations, your site is now accessible to anyone with its URL. You can always return to Google Sites to make updates or changes in the future, and just click Publish again to update your live site. And there you have it. In just a few easy steps, you've created and published your site using Google Sites. This user-friendly platform offers the flexibility to expand your site as your needs grow. Thanks for tuning in. And remember, building a presence online doesn't have to be complex or time-consuming, especially with straightforward tools like Google Sites. Happy publishing!